Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to change your Google Sheets language. It is very easy to do. You just follow these very simple steps. So you just open your Google Sheets. So after that you can click this file and then click settings. Some people intend to change this locally. This locally doesn't mean change your language, because this is only affecting your formatting details, because some country consider dot as a thousand separated, and some country consider comma as thousand separating. And to change the language, instead of click this one, you just use your locally as you wish, and you can see this display language. You just click on this link, and it will be redirect to you to your Google account preference. So here you can see preferred language. You just click this pencil icon, and then you find your desirable language on your Google Sheets. To be noted that if you change this language, not only the Google Sheets will be changed, the language will be changed, but also any other application on Google, such as Google Docs, such as Google Slides, and maybe YouTube, etc., will be changed into your preferable language on this window. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.